my channel. So I have recorded this video 3 times. I am just here to do a follow-up video for you guys from Sunber Hair. I made this wig myself. I have in an 18-inch closure with 2 bundles of 22-inch and a half a bundle of 20-inch in the Brazilian curly. Now I just brought it up, I don't even want to say some, but I brought it up in length just because I kind of felt like the length that I had wasn't really, I don't know, it just wasn't really doing anything for me. And I've been really liking short hair lately. I know that they say short hair is for summertime, but we're going into fall. And for some reason, I'm just really loving short hair for fall. So quickly, let me just go ahead and give you guys a little bit of kind of what I've noticed. I have washed this hair twice. I've washed it one time with curl enhancing, the curl enhancing Shea Moisture shampoo in the orange bottle, and then another time, which was last night, with Herbal Essence's Hello Hydration conditioner. So I've done 1 shampoo and 1 co-wash. I have not applied heat to this wig at all, not even a diffuser, no flat iron, no electric hot comb, nothing like that. I have left this hair at its natural state. As far as any tangles and shedding, what I said before, I haven't really gotten any. Of course you get some because the hair is curly, and in my opinion, no matter if you have a wig that you made yourself or a wig that you purchased, you will get like shedding and you will get some tangles. I mean, I get it with my own hair, so I expect to get it with other hair as well. So that's just my opinion, but everything is very minimal, nothing that I'm like gonna have a heart attack over or I'm dying over. So one thing that I did notice with the frontal is that it's not as full as I thought it was before. And so that's my only thing. It's not that the textures are different or anything like that. I think the textures still match. They're still the same. That's great. But as far as the fullness and what I've come into contact with other frontal, this one isn't as full, but it doesn't bother me because in my opinion, that just kind of makes it a little bit more believable. It's not as full, it's not thin or anything like that, but that's just one small detail that I did notice about this hair. I have really been enjoying using the curl enhancing smoothie whenever it comes to like curly hairstyles. With using the curl enhancing smoothie like I did with this on top of, no, I'm sorry, underneath the Lotta Body, it just gives me more defined curls, but they're not like super defined, and they're softer too. So yay. I'm pretty pleased with how this wig is holding up so far in the hair. I don't really have many complaints for y'all. Sorry. I still think it's really pretty. The curls are beautiful. They're still intact. One thing I don't like to do whenever I know I want to like keep curls, like for example, this hair is really pretty curly and I don't want to mess with that or manipulate it or alter it in any kind of way, so I don't put heat on it. And one thing I don't like to do is messing with beautiful hair. That just defeats the purpose for me. I don't know. That's really it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick follow-up with you guys because I know it's when making like a hair purchase, it's great to see an initial review and all, but it's also really nice to know how it's holding up, you know, weeks later and all that great stuff. Any questions or comments, be sure to put them down below and I will link all the hair information as well. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.